first of all, food apartheid means that we don't blame people for the lives that they have or the situations that they're in. We recognize the systems that put people in these places. And so because of that, we create things like this to continue to build them up, give them health, give them nutrition, give them access to the food that they need and that they deserve, because we believe that food is a human right. What's up, y'all? My name is Kendra and I am the founder of Funky Town Fridge. So my name is Kendra. I am the founder of Funky Town Fridge, and what Funky Town Fridge is just a community solidarity fridge. A community solidarity fridge is that's what it is. It's a free fridge. It offers free food to the community, to anybody who needs it in the community, regardless of class, regardless of age, race, whatever. It's just free food. We only accept healthy and whole foods. We only accept fresh produce, broccoli, asparagus, spinach, any kind of greens, lettuce, carrots, apples, bananas, eggs, milk, any kind of canned goods. We usually try to ask for the kind that you can pop open, because we've seen a lot of people frequent the fridge that like live in their cars or don't have access to a microwave. So whatever way we can give food, healthy food, to these people in these communities and give them also accessibility, that is our ultimate goal as of right now. Anybody can donate. It's 24 hours. It sits outside, and it's open anytime for anybody to come and drop off food, drop off a canned good, or drop off some kind of produce or healthy food for the people of the community. It's meant to build community, so the community is meant to take care of it, to wash it, to keep it clean, and just make sure that the right things are in the fridge. And so a food desert is a community that has no grocery store, and then therefore the people have no access to food. And then if there is access to food, they probably cannot afford it, because food is very expensive, and things are getting higher, especially now in a pandemic. People are losing jobs. People aren't having cars to drive back and forth to grocery stores that are 10 to 15 minutes away. So that's what we would define it as. And we're trying to break down barriers of language around people who are food apartheid, which is why we call it a community solidarity fridge, because we don't want people to feel less than, or we don't want them to feel bad or any type of way. We just want them to feel good knowing that there's a fridge there that will always be filled and always supply their nutritional needs. What inspired me was I wanted to show people ways that they could create change. Like, I wanted to let them know that true change comes through imagination, and that there are ways that, and give other people other ways that they can help and they can show up for the food apartheid, for people that live in food deserts and don't have access to food. Everybody benefits from Funky Town Fridge. Everybody can come through and see what they need and grab it and take it. Everybody can show up in solidarity for those who do live in food apartheid and food desert communities. Any and everybody like. So our first location is at 3144 Bryan Avenue, Forward, Texas 76110 in that zip code. And then our second location is 2308 Vaughn Boulevard, zip code 76105. Hopefully people are inspired to create change and to make a better world, and inspired to show up for everybody. Show up for the people that are in need, and even the ones that aren't, and really realize that this is a way for us all to come together and to use this way and find different ways and create more.